guys, I'm just putting my gaiters on, as you can see them there. Basically just give my legs a bit more waterproofing, stops any water going down inside my boots. It's quite wet today. The grass is going to be pretty wet, so there's a good chance of getting wet trousers and then the water going down into my socks, getting my boots wet. Hey there guys, my name's Craig, just landed on my channel. You've just joined me on a hike. I'm going up to one of the summits near Machynlleth, which is like mid-Wales on the border of Snowdonia. I think it's classed as actually being in one of Snowdonia's summits. Pretty much just do the walk, filming all the way up to the top of the summit. And I'll just try and enjoy the walk on the way back down. So yeah, maybe a few clips, but not as much filming on the way down. Whoa, check this out. Big old trees come down. As you can see, the trees probably come down because it's very rocky up here in Wales, so the root system doesn't really get to bury in very deep, as you can see. Whenever there's a big wind, sometimes it takes out these big trees. Absolutely hammered it down there, so hopefully it stays dry throughout this walk. But yeah, basically today we'll be heading up through quite a bit of a track to go yet, up through the forests, and then basically trekking all across this ridge line in the clouds there, as you can see up in this top here, and the summits over the back of here. Bit of a trek yet. Sure it'll be worth it if it stays dry, and even if it doesn't stay dry long as there's a view, always makes it worth it, doesn't it? You can kind of see it. See how this is like pushing along? That's rain on its way. Trying to get into my waterproofs quickly before it comes. Here comes the rain. It's looking pretty nice up there where the summit is, that's for sure. That rain is coming down now. Come on, sunshine, push through. Look at this, pretty clear everywhere else, and as soon as you get to where we're heading up to, the summit's just in behind all that cloud, so hopefully it clears by the time we get to the top. So we can show off the views to you. I'm in the area where you got the Mach loop, where all the fighter jets and that fly through the valleys. I'd definitely have to go and get some footage of that at some point. So noisy. It's not long, and then we're going up through one of the forests and then getting up this steep slope here and then up along the ridge line. Oh, how nice is this? So peaceful. Absolutely love just getting out in nature. It's one of the reasons why I moved up to Wales, just so I can be outdoors a hell of a lot more. I used to travel up here a lot. Right, here we go then. We're going up into the forest a little bit, dropping into here and climbing up through the woods. It's looking pretty clear out there at the minute, so hopefully the clouds disappear and you've got some good views at there. Like I say, there's only one way to find out. Here we go then, up into the woods and up onto the ridgeline. Came out of this forest here, worked for his track. We're going nowhere. This is actually a mountain bike track here. Very steep, pretty techy. This is what we're here for. Look at this view. Steep scramble, getting pretty warm. Oh, look at that view in the background there. That's all. Nice. Pretty much just walking up a little river here. From that rain we've just had. It's pretty steep and techy. Pretty white up that side, but see the clouds are rolling in. Right, let's crack on up to the summit up over here. So glad I put my gaiters on now. All this grass would just have soaked all my trousers and then all into my socks, into my boots, and you've got wet feet for the rest of the walk. And that's not what you want. Here we are then. Right, pointing up earlier, this is that ridge line I'm walking along now. Oh yeah, I think we could be in for a treat once we get to the top of here. As earlier, this was just a big cloud, so hopefully by the time we get over the top of this, it's nice and clear and I can show you a 360 view up at the summit. Fingers crossed. Nice, so the views are really starting to open up now, both sides. What a place, eh guys? Okay, so the wind's picking up a little bit, so I might end up in the clouds again. As you can see, it's starting to get a bit white around me. Hopefully it clears up there before we get to the summit, but who knows. Up in Wales, as people know that come here, I know what it's like. The weather changes pretty fast up in these valleys, especially when you're up in the mountains. That's part of the enjoyment. Make sure you pack just in case. I love packing for just in case. As you can see in the distance, give it a zoom out so you can see it a bit better. And that's basically, goes all the way, opens out into the ocean down at Abu Dhabi. And we are heading over here to reach the summit, and then we'll be heading back down the way. We just came. And that's where I'll be logging out. Like I said, as soon as I hit the summit, I'll be logging out, so I can just take in scenery on the way back down. I love just sitting out in nature, especially when it's a clear day like this. Just sitting there, taking in the view, doing some breath work. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the walk so far. Still pretty new to this adventure. Got a few videos, as you'll see in my YouTube. Obviously it takes a while to master it. I need to get some more gadgets as well, like microphones and stuff. Get a drone later on. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. And comment on any other future videos you advise me to go on, or places to visit around Mid Wales, North Wales, Snowdonia, and anywhere else around the UK that I'll try and get to. See what I mean, how quick it can change up here. But as you can see, the clouds are moving pretty fast. So hopefully this pushes over and get a nice view at the summit. Alright, see you at the summit, guys. There's the summit just there in the distance, a little rock. Summit reached. Nice one, guys, we made it to the end. Appreciate it. If you don't mind giving us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads, and drop a comment in parts of the video you like, or bits you think I could improve on, or anywhere else I could venture around Mid Wales, North Wales, or anywhere else in the UK. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.